So, thanks to the city of Oklahoma City, before I can even get started on the shop, I've got to bring in 30 truckloads of dirt. So I guess there's an engineering study on my property several years ago, and it's not considered a flood area, but I guess it does have a lot of runoff. So I have a pond over up on the hill on the other side of there, and so their concern is that water will overflow through this area and then on down back there. So because of that, I have to build this pad up from the ground 2.5 feet. I had to bring in 2.5 feet for a 30 by 60 shop is what we're gonna do. And we have to have the dirt 10 feet past, built up 2.5 feet, 10 feet past the existing foundation. So I've actually got to build up 2.5 feet of dirt for a 80 by 50. So that added a considerable amount of cost to the build. I wasn't happy, but you know, after I spent a day moping about it, I figured I either want it or I don't. There's really nothing I can do. Maybe I could get a lawyer and fight it, but you know, that's probably going to cost me the same amount of money by the time we're done with it. So I decided to go ahead, just bite the bullet, get the dirt in here. You can see my house over there, how high it's elevated. It is elevated quite a bit higher, but it matches that plane over there. And so I guess the concern is that this thing could flood out, and they weren't willing to. I went and talked to the engineer that actually documented that the elevation level that we have to meet, and he pretty much said it's protecting the city, because if they didn't do it right, we could go back and sue them for issuing us a permit that allowed our property or our structure to flood out. So kind of a bummer, but I'm over it now, and I'm pretty excited to get started. I'm gonna grab the tractor, start moving this dirt around, try to get it as flat as possible. We start the foundation on Wednesday, and it should go really quickly after that. I'll start building, start welding up the braces, the trusses, and just make progress one day at a time.
feeling like I'm George Jones. Smoke rolling out the window and ice cold beer sitting in the console. Memory laid up in the headlights, it's got me reminiscing on them good times. I'm turning off a real life driving, that's right, I'm hitting easy street on mud tires. Back in the day, Potts Farm was a place to go. Load the truck up, hit the dirt road, jump the barbed wire, spread the word, light the bonfire and call the girls. King and the can and the Marlboro man, Jack and Jim were a few good men where you learn how to kiss and cuss and fight too. Better watch out for the boys in blue and all this small town he said, she said. Ain't it funny how rumors spread like I know something y'all don't know? Man, that talk is getting old. You better mind your business, man, watch your mouth before I have to knock that loud mouth out. I'm tired of talking.